You have a cold and now you're breaking out even more. What is happening? Hi, my name is Marie Claire and I am a licensed medical esthetician who specializes in acne and hyperpigmentation. So the reason why you're breaking out even more when you have a cold is possibly because you have taken some medicine or cough medicine that contain bromides. Bromides are known potentially to cause acne-like skin eruptions, sometimes referred to as bromoderma. And this is why you notice acne while taking a cough medicine. So if you're acne prone, be sure to check the ingredients for the presence of bromides and speak to your doctor. Stay healthy. Bye.